I'm Stephen Munyanziza, Project Director of MUBYEYI.
Hello, I'm Alex, accountant and communication officer of Imenye.
Hello, Emin project officer of MUBYEYI.
Thank you. Now, how does it work? MUBYEYI is an organization that is now helping deaf people with disability and even general population to have an access to health and sexual reproductive health services. Alexi, may you tell us the problem in the society?
Yeah, the problem is that those people with hearing impaired and even those people with disabilities, they face many challenges due to the lack of information on sexual reproductive health. The deaf people are not taken into consideration because health service providers are not aware of the sign language, the language that is used by those people with hearing impaired. Hence, the unintended pregnancy, dropout from the school, and the poverty for those people with disabilities. Can you tell us the solution, Mr. Amy?
The solution now, Imenye was established the way to help deaf people and other people with disability to have access to information of the health and sexual reproductive health by using sign language interpretation in order to improve their skills and information about sexual reproductive health. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. We use all of those systems on our YouTube platform where you can visit us by writing Imenye MUBYEYI on YouTube and you get a lot of video which is expressed in the form of sign language. Thank you. Bye.